We could not have picked a better day for this cruise. So we're currently en route to Milford Sounds. We're nearly there. You've got to pass through a tunnel here, and there's like a little sign saying expected wait time. We've been waiting 4 minutes altogether, so we're nearly going through. The views on the way to Milford Sounds, absolutely amazing. That's an absolute rob, that. So as you can see, there's so many different boat tow companies you can use. Absolutely loads. I'm trying to find which one I'm on. Look at these views. Look at that. Let's go for a little walk. I think that one's looking best. I don't think I'm on that one though. I have no idea. So we're about to get on the boat. One of these is ours. Number 4. We got on last because we don't like queuing. So you might as well sit down until everyone's on. It's pretty nice. And we're going for this seat inside because outside is rammed. Back inside, I reckon, back inside. You can even have a brew. tour is over. Unbelievable scenery, as you've seen in that video. Perfect little tour there for around 2 hours. It cost us around, how much was it? We used a website called Book Me, and it cost around $89 each, so £45. 100% worth it. Amazing, absolutely loved it. So you can stop just before Milford Sound on this bridge. You can, a little bit of parking areas at both sides, and you can stop at this beautiful stream, river, whatever you want to call it. Look at that. It's amazing.